So they said exciting times are ahead of you. And now they're giving key point. And they said like this: 30 days is rest, 30 days in consumption, 30 days conversion, 30 days recovery, 30 days control, 30 days Elton courts cover reaction, and the truth comes out. I don't know what Elton means. Look at it in Jewish gematria, what that could be. So something is happening with all this stuff during these 30 days, but it's not only one time 30, 6 times of 30 days. Okay, so that's 6 months. Basically, there is some trajectory. All of you will witness the Great Awakening, and the second time will be your depollution, basically taking away the pollution. Illegals that came and committed crime, and they said all it is that is happening is in records and is a hologram. Then they said the same technology that was used on humanity was taken and used for them, the criminal mind. We have it all the thoughts, all the crimes. You all forget that you are living in a simulated reality. Look at the matrix. It's a hologram. And when we need info, we just need to measure some sequences, and every soul that is there in action that they do that is off balance will come in fruition, and we will see you. How silly, how blind you have been. But how could they know when they are all consumed with hatred? Now, in the months to come, hold on. It is a bumpy ride, but it's an exciting ride, because in the end of the finish line is your victory. Let it play out. You hold on. Hold the line. Hold your ground, your integrity, and stand for the righteousness. So they said exciting times are ahead of you. And now they're giving key points. Courts, victories, exposure, shocking allegations, Supreme Courts, Hollywood, politics, business moguls, electrical companies, boat companies, shipping yards, tunnels and tunnels of high electric voltage transportation, all exposed. Not that for now. All is coming. Your 2025 year will be the saddest and yet at the same time the most victorious. Sad, you will truly see, and victorious, all will be taken in the right hands. And they said, and this is whoosh, everything will happen. Like somebody really come in and suck out of it everything. And they said, but that was, they said, God's breath.